next question in this exercise, question 12 to 8. A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 centimeter long, 2 centimeter in diameter, and the diameter of the spherical part. So this particular glass vessel is made by two parts. Let's see the diagram. It has a spherical part whose diameter is given as 8.5 centimeter, and on top of that there is a cylindrical part that is 8 centimeter tall and 2 centimeter in diameter. So we want to calculate altogether how much water it holds. So we are going to calculate the volume of the sphere and add the volume of cylinder, and somebody has already found that, and the answer was given to be 345 centimeter cube. We are supposed to check whether this is reasonably accurate using pi value as 3.14. So let's begin. This involves calculation of two separate volumes. One is the volume of the sphere. We know the formula 4 upon 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius. Now the thing where we have to be careful is this involves a radius, and the diameter is given as 8.5. So do not substitute 8.5 directly because this is diameter. Take half of the value. Radius is half of the diameter, so radius is half of this, which is 4.25. For the time being, I'm going to keep pi as it is. I will, because there is one more geometry coming up, and 4.25 manually we have to calculate, divide by 3 and then multiplied by 4. That will come out to be 102.35 pi. I know this calculation is a little bit tedious. It will take some time. As far as possible, if you have or part of the question in the exam, avoid this one. This is ridiculous calculation. Let's say on top of that we have cylindrical part, and this volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. R is the radius, h is the height. Again, for the time being, I'm going to keep pi as it is. Radius, again, radius is not directly given. The diameter is given. It's 2 centimeter. Take half of that. So radius is half of 2, which is 1. And the h is the height of this part, which is 8. Well, this is reasonably okay. This is 8 pi. Now remember, the amount of water it holds is a combination, sum total of these two. So the total volume is addition of 102.35 pi and this 8 pi. So together it will be 110.35 pi. Since the value of pi is given, we are not supposed to keep pi as it is. Multiply that by 3.14. Again, it requires some calculation, manual multiplication. So if you do that, the answer comes out to be 346.51 centimeter cube. It's a volume. So the units will be the cube of the unit of length. So it will be centimeter cube. Now, a child finds volume to be 345. His answer or her answer was 345. Our answer came out to be 346. Not a significant difference. That minor difference is okay. So the child is reasonably correct, and her answer is very close to this answer. That's our conclusion, and that's our final answer.